I'm Kenzie Padilla, and I'm a student, a swimmer, and a runner. I've been swimming since I was about 6 years old. I started off on just like summer club swim teams, and then I moved to the YMCA swimming when I was in 4th grade. I've honestly been swimming competitively as long as I can remember. I'm definitely a very competitive person, so I'm always like racing at any opportunity I get. And I mean, since I've been swimming when I was 6, they have little meets for the 6-year-olds even. You swim 25 freestyle, so I've been racing ever since I was little. USP means a lot to me because it's really changed my life. I don't think that I could have it would have been nearly impossible to successfully compete in 2 sports, running and swimming, at such a high level in high school if I didn't go to USP and didn't have the flexibility of that. I definitely couldn't have done that without sacrificing my academics if I didn't go to USP.
Kenzie is many things in class. She's really, really bright, offers a lot of amazing viewpoints every single time. As you would expect of a trained athlete, she comes prepared, she comes ready to work. She also offers, and this is one of Kenzie's best features, such an unabashed kindness, just a willingness to be involved in other people's responses, to dig into other people's lives, right? To hear what's going on with them, to hear their perspectives and viewpoints, and to offer just a space for people to talk, for people to exchange ideas, which is really valuable for like an English class where so much of it is based on discussion and based on things that students are bringing with them outside of the classroom. So I really value that from Kenzie.
I love a lot about swimming. I've always loved being in the water, like since I was little. When we go to like my grandparents' house in Florida, they have a pool. My brother and I are always in the pool all day long, just playing around. And then as I've grown up and swum more competitively and been on these teams, I really love how it's both like an individual sport and a team sport. I really love that, and then the friends I've made through swimming and all of the relationships I've had and people I've met. It's been really great.